Welcome to Mogadishu, a city full of life, culture, and hard-working people.
Meet a young fisherman who starts his day early in the morning. With his strong, trained hands, he sails into the ocean to catch fish. His hard work feeds his family and brings him happiness. Every day is a new adventure, and he takes pride in his skill and dedication. The ocean is not just his workplace, but a source of joy and fulfillment. On the busy streets of Mogadishu, you will find a lady selling bajio, a delicious local snack. Her charming smile and tasty food attract many customers every day. She loves sharing her culture through her cooking, making each bite a special experience. Her small business is a testament to the city's entrepreneurial spirit and vibrant street life. And here is a tuk-tuk driver, entertaining his passengers with music as he takes them to their destinations. His friendly service is a part of what makes traveling in the city enjoyable. With every ride, he creates a fun and lively atmosphere, making the journey as pleasant as the destination. His cheerful demeanor and dedication to his work reflect the warm hospitality of Mogadishu. These are just a few examples of the vibrant work culture in Mogadishu. People here are dedicated to their jobs and take great care of their customers. This dedication makes Mogadishu a great place to invest in business. The human capital and work culture here are truly remarkable. In Mogadishu, you will often hear the friendly greetings abayo and abowe, making everyone feel welcome. These warm words foster a sense of community and connection among the people. Whether you are a local or a visitor, the kindness and friendliness in these greetings create a sense of belonging and ease. So come and experience the warmth, hard work, and vibrant life of Mogadishu, a city where the spirit of its people makes it a wonderful place to live and do business. Mogadishu, where hard work meets hospitality.